Well, at least this hasn't changed, that's for sure. But it's safe to say that looks like Kelly has been passing through here a whole lot, as always. The only thing that's new in the book we found for the login was she brought a subject with her. So there's no telling who she kidnapped off the street or who she convinced to follow her out here or whatever the hell is going on. But it's safe to say that I hope her and Cora are being great friends and Cora's finding out anything that she can find out about her and what else she's going on. But are you ready, Billy? Oh, trust me, buddy, I'm scared too. I am scared, my hands are shaking a little bit, but I want to finish this case all the way to the end. Don't you? That's good. I'm glad you got the attitude for this as well too, because we're going to need it. Let's just hope when we get inside this place, let's hope that everything's still the same and, well, if you see anything green moving, no matter what, shoot it. Because that's right now my motto, shoot to kill. Anyway, I'm loaded up. How about you? There we go. That's what I want to hear. That shotgun is loaded and cocked. My handgun is loaded and armed. Let's get inside this place. Come on. Well, it's a good idea too that it's a good idea we didn't go the old way. So maybe there might be another way to the underground facility that we were trying to get to. I wish Stokes would have picked up wish Stokes would have came with us though. Stokes would have had a better idea of what to tell us that is underground here, but he claims he had something else to do. Anyway. Well, at least there's no security over here. Let's keep going. Watch your back, Billy. Check those corners. Yeah, I know I sound like I'm in the military, but it's fine. I'd rather us check our back, check our front, check our corners, check our sides, and check everywhere else. We don't have time for no mistakes. And who knows what we'll find. But anyway, let's keep moving. Based on what Stokes told me, he came this way with Luis, and they went this far. Only Cora was here with us, she'd be able to help us see things. Or she might spot something we don't see. Okay, we're here. And yep, this looks like the entrance that was best described by Stokes. It still would have been better if his ass was here. And I know I keep saying that, I'm sorry. He's not here, we're here. We got this, okay? Let's head on downstairs. Hey, watch your step, Billy. Apparently there is a lot of water here and we don't have time to fall and bust our asses. Okay, we're down here. Oh, shit! Damn it, what the fuck did I Oh, shit. Well, Billy, looks like I slipped and fell on green slime here. Okay. So, it's a good thing our guns are ready, and it looks like well, there's no trail of the green slime, so let's slowly advance inside this facility here. Anything behind us, Billy? Keep moving. What was that? It's alright, it was just a mouse. I swear to God, I can't stand rats, mice, whatever that was. Let's keep moving. Check those corners. And here's our first corner, speaking of. Okay, it's clear. Let's go, Billy. Okay, that was the mouse or the rat, but it sounds like something else got it. Let's keep moving. Shit. Whatever that noise is, it doesn't sound good. Let's keep moving. Check the ceiling. You check the ceiling, I'll check the floor. Hold it. Something's around this corner. Okay, we got this. Well, no matter what, Billy, when we go around this corner, we open fire. Okay? On 3. 1, 2, 3. The hell? There's nothing here. Shit! What the hell's that? Okay, somebody else is down here. That's them. They sound like they're tearing up the place down here too. Okay, Billy, come on. We gotta get to that gunfire. Wherever they are shooting at, it sounds like more than just a little gunfire. And now they're screaming. It's alright, Billy. Let's just keep going. Come on. Okay, we're here. And... shit. It's alright, Billy. Come on. Let's go from around this corner. Come on. Looks like more of that green slime is here, and there is no gun and there is no flashlight. Shit. And whatever the fuck that noise is, it's still here. Billy, you keep an eye on the ceiling. I'll keep an eye on the hallways. Whatever that noise is, is it? Shit! Whatever the hell that was, it's moving through the ceiling. Come on, let's go! Okay, we're here. Billy, watch your back. Look up. I'm looking up too. At least we know whatever we saw, it's in the damn ceiling. Billy, whatever you do, don't move. Fuck! I got away. Come on, come on. There it is. Whatever it is, shoot it. Shoot it, man. Fuck. Did you get it? I don't know, man. I don't know if I got it either. It's fine. We're fine. Let's just keep moving. Come on. Shit, I don't recognize this area. I think... oh, fuck. While we were so busy chasing and shooting whatever that was, looks like we got lost. And whatever that noise is, it is still around here. Billy, look. Slowly turn around and look. Is that? It's everything is okay. No. Don't fire. Shoot it. Sneak around the corner. Okay. I'm crazy and I'm bold, but I'm not that crazy, Billy. We need to get the fuck out of here. We gotta go back the way we came from. I know we're lost a little bit, but we gotta get the fuck out of here now. I think that's more than enough evidence for us to say that yes, they have something down here, and it's green, and it's alive, and it's fucking moving. Billy? Is this a bunch of green stuff on my shoulder? No. Don't make any fast movements. It's dripping on my clothes and it's above my head. You Billy? That's not human. Don't look up. It's right now just looking at me. Don't even make a sound. I'm scared, yes. I'm about to piss my pants scared. Okay, Billy. Get ready to run. No matter what I do, you run in that direction. Go! Is it still behind us? Shit, it's still behind us! Shoot it! In here! Oh. Okay. Whatever that was, it looked human, but it was covered in green slime, and it looked like it had an appetite for blood. Quiet. Billy, if I didn't know any better, that damn thing's right outside the door. So, when I kick open the door, unload on this damn thing. 1, 2, 3, now! Shit, it's not here. There it is, it's moving down the hall. Well, it can go down that hall, I don't care. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Come on, let's go back this way. Yeah, we're just gonna have to report as much of this as we can to another agency of the government. I don't know what's going on around here, but we just can now confirm there's something green, it's something human, and it's dangerous. Great, somebody else is down here, and now they're shooting at it. No, we're not gonna go save their asses. We are getting the fuck out of here, Billy. We are getting out of here as fast as possible. Shit, which way to go? Which way to... This way, come on. Wait a minute. I don't remember coming this way. We didn't come this way. Shit. Okay. Let's still get out of here. Okay, let's go. Let's try this way. Shit. Hold it. You hear that? Someone's around the corner. go first and talk to them. Just be ready to back me up. No, just Billy. Shh. They're coming. Don't move. Who are y'all? And what's... Shit. Yeah, I know, Billy. They got a gun to the back of your head. I can see them out the corner of my eyes. Alright, look. We just want to get out of here. Okay? You guys apparently are sent here to deal with something, so just point us to the doorway and let us get the fuck out of here. No, we're not here to fight y'all. We're not here to shoot at y'all. We just want to get the fuck out of here. We're with the FBI. We're with the FBI. We got a call out here. Yeah, there's no sense of lying. Okay. My friend here is with the FBI. I'm not. I told him about this place. He and I chose to come out here alone. Billy, are you okay? What the fuck? Why'd y'all knock him out? He didn't do nothing. Son of a bitch. It's you. Oh, great. And now you're gonna...